You ready? How long have you been growing this? 2 years. 2 years of growth, baby. It's going.
I think so. Yeah, I'm good. Thank you.
Baby, you deserve roses. My Instagram name is Bianca Scissorhands. Like Edward. Have you seen Edward Scissorhands? Oh, it's a classic. You have one job. Go home and watch Edward Scissorhands. It's a classic. That's where my name comes from. You don't understand what I'm doing right now. He had his hands, of course, were made of scissors, and so he was like a weird like science experiment gone wrong. Some guy like created him almost like Dr. Frankenstein, you know what I mean? And so he ends up in this lady like goes up to where he's created on the top of this hill, like this castle, and finds him. She's like, "What are you doing up here?" I was like, "Because the person that created him died." Right? And so the person that created him died, so she was like, "You're coming home with me, Edward. My name's Edward," right? So she takes Edward to her community, but Edward doesn't fit in because his hands are made of scissors. So he has to figure out what he's gonna do with his life because he's not like everyone else. He can't even eat food, really, right? Picking them up with scissors. So he finds purpose. His purpose in his life by becoming a hairdresser. And, well, first, before the hairdresser, he did landscaping of people's like shrubbery. He made like their bushes into sculptures. Yeah, so you know. No,
Or 527.
Alright, let's do it.
I know. I know it. Alright, we'll get it wet. Okay, I'm going to put it so I have some information. Hey, I did it from you. Tablet. Okay, come back. Okay, I usually did, but if you don't know, you'll see it. So we're going to bring your hand down on the side. Each one.
You ever felt anything on your head like this in a long time? It's been years. 22. That was it.
Like, and up everything.
Got your brother back. What made you do it?
Like kind of annoying washing it.
Oh man, it's a lot. It's expensive. You got shampoo and it starts looking greasy.
Yeah, and then you have to take whenever you sweat it.
Take another shower just to wash your hair. See, now you're getting the kind of women when we go through with long hair.
Well, how many Legos do you have? Lots a lot. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Who's working tomorrow?
What's up, Whit?
Unfortunately, the chunky feline got stuck in a shoe rack during the escape, and he ended up face planting in a
Next time you work tomorrow.
Then he had to be
Oh, you're off.
The station expert at the camp shared that he was extremely displeased when he found his slipper after he got a little bit of food.
You leaving now?
What the hell? The kitty is responding well to the your exercise.
He's like, feel the wind on your scalp. Feel the breeze.
Oh, yeah.
You're gonna need a beanie this winter. You had a nice hat, but hat of hair.
Yeah. No.
And then you'll also probably notice fewer breakouts on your face because your hair is greasy and your hair is on your face. People don't understand that. Yeah. A lot of kids that wear their hair like that and in their face they have skin because the oils from your hair comes onto your face. Now you're watching see different.
Nice to meet you する挨拶 I'm so happy ありがたいな 俺らをスターお金稼ぐ私はスターヒーロー私はスター
The haircut. Sometimes you gotta fuck up with a new haircut.